this is Madison coming to you from Madison Tax Services with a quick tip for married couples. Why do you owe money at the end of the year? When you come and get your taxes done, why are you owing money, married couples? There's 3 reasons why you're owing money. The first reason is at your job. Your W-4 form at your job, you're filling it out incorrectly. That means what you see is single and married, and you stop there. If your spouse is working, you have a third option called married but file at a single higher rate. That's the button that you should be pressing when you are married and your spouse is working. Okay? The other one, married, assumes that your spouse is home taking care of the cat or the dog. Home, not working. And that's why they're taking out more taxes, because they assume that your spouse is not working. So if your spouse is working, the option is the third option, married but file at a higher single rate. That's the first step in getting out of the Uncle Sam hole. And the second reason why people are owing money, married couples are owing money, is because you are claiming, both spouses are claiming the children. Okay? So if you have 2 children, and your wife claims the 2 children, and you claim 2 children, it's 4 children where only 2 exist, and you will be penalized because you're claiming 2 and she's claiming 2. So either one of the parents claim all of the children or split the children up. You claim 1 and your wife claims 1. And the third option is the reason why you're owing taxes at the end of the year, is because the IRS only understands married couples as a single entity. Okay? Now, at the beginning of the year, let's say spouse number 1 is getting paid $50,000 and spouse number 2 is getting paid $50,000, okay? Each spouse is being taxed at $50,000 at 12%. That's their tax obligation. And the other 12%, that's their tax obligation. But when you join together, when you're filing your taxes as a joint tax return, now you're at a 22% tax bracket. You jump from 12% to 22%. That's 10% jump by being married. Okay? Now, call your congressmen and senators and tell them, sure, I'm paying more than corporations are paying. They're paying 21%, and married couples making $100,000 is paying 22% in taxes. The W-2 forms do not recognize your spouse's W-2 form. They only see yours. Okay, so if you're making between $40,000 to $50,000, you're at a 12% tax bracket. But when you join with your spouse, you're now at a 22% tax bracket because you're making more than over $100,000 a year. So be careful. Understand what both of you guys are making and have them take a little bit more taxes out. This will help. That's my tax tip for married couples. Take care.